To assemble your electric bed frame, start by unfolding the bed. Install and hand tighten the 6 legs into the bed frame. Connect the power cord to the receptacle located at the bottom of the bed frame. Be sure the cord is connected completely and securely. Next, turn the bed over so that it is standing on its legs. Insert the USB power connection port into the bed frame and the controller. Then, install the USB onto the side of the bed using the 2 short screws labeled H. Locate the retainer bar and insert the right and then the left end into the openings located at the base at the foot of the bed. This may require a little force. Next, install the 2 armrests onto each side of the bed frame using 2 long screws, labeled G. Then simply place the side bag over the armrest of your choice. Install the AAA batteries into the wireless remote. Then, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the controls. Now, plug the power cord into the wall outlet and test run your bed frame. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.